Hello friends, this project is about light monitoring system on Bolt IoT. The light intensity of the surrounding can be monitored remotely on Bolt Cloud server, and the data collected by the sensor is continuously plotted in the form of graphs on the server so that we can visualize the past data, also the real-time data, and use for specific application like for example plant monitoring system or etc. I'll talk on more on data and cloud as we move on to the server. So let's start. The LDR sensor. This is the LDR sensor. The full form of LDR is light dependent resistor. The internal resistance of LDR changes depending on how much light is falling on it. The light intensity is inversely proportional to the resistance. As the intensity of the light is increased, the resistance is decreased, and vice versa. LDR is an analog sensor. Bolt IoT Wi-Fi module has analog to digital converter and has analog input pin A0. To convert the change in resistance to change in voltage, we use the voltage divider circuit. This is the voltage divider circuit. One of the resistor is replaced by the sensor. We are replacing it with the LDR sensor, and it is in with the series combination of with the known resistance value. We are using the 10 kilo ohms resistor across it, and a known voltage is applied across this voltage divider circuit. We are applying the 3 volts across it. This allows the microcontroller to measure the resistance of the sensor, and according to the Ohm's law, voltage is directly proportional to the resistance. As resistance decrease, the voltage will increase, and this change will be read by the analog pin, and ADC will help out further. So now let's check the connection diagram. So I have connected this according to the voltage divider circuit. So the resistor and the LDR is connected in series, and the ground is given, and 3 volt is supplied across the LDR, and the analog input pin A0 is connected between the LDR. So now let's move further. So friends, now let's move on to the project part. These are the connections I have done. So you can see all the wires are connected to the resistor and the LDR according to our Fritzing diagram. So now let's move on to the server part and let's do coding. Bolt IoT platform. So what is Bolt IoT? It provides the hardware module, Bolt Cloud, Analytics and Machine Learning. This is the technical specification of the device we are using. It comes with a ESP8266 Wi-Fi chip and the cloud. So this is my cloud server. In the device we can see the status is showing offline because we have not yet powered our device. So let's move on to the product. I have already made a product named Light Intensity, and I have already configured this with the A0, and I have given the variable name as light, and data collection rate I have set to the 5 minutes, and this is the JavaScript code I have written. So let's check it now. Link device to this. So it is saying that our bolt is successfully linked. So now let's power on. So I'm using a 5 volt DC power supply to give power to the device. So I have displayed both the screen. On one part of the screen you can see the live data, the graph of the LDR data. So the light monitoring graph is here. We have x-axis, y-axis. On x-axis we are having a time underscore stamp, and on y-axis we are having light intensity. So various data is plotted on the graph. We can see the variation, the increasing and the decreasing, and the points and corresponding value to it. So let's play with this. So increasing the brightness, we will see the corresponding change, we will see the live change. So I'm increasing the brightness. So clearly we can see the things. Now the data count is 12 on the screen and it is decreasing graph, and we will see the change. See, on data count 13 the graph is increasing, and see these points, it is giving information about date, time and the value. So it's very good and efficient technology, and we can set start date, end date, time. We want the live data to be captured. Also we can download this data in the CSV file and can analyze the data. So this is the CSV file, timestamp and all the important details about the data collected by the LDR sensor. So we have seen how this Internet of Things technology IoT is very beneficial and smart.